Expect to, David.
Well, I bet my mom and your mom are going to hear about the story of what we had to go through to do this, so why not get it on record? Besides, I know nothing about this stuff and you guys are way more skilled than I am, so
documenting it makes it easier for you.
Yep, gives me something to do.
How in the heck did you cut that?
Very difficultly. There's a smaller set in there that's more modern, if you want that.
Get a clean start on what we're putting your new terminals on.
Yeah.
Oil on there, that's not battery acid. You get it wrong, Michael. I win.
Your face.
Thank you.
He doesn't have to win his face, he already has it.
Because my knife's that's gonna take care of that. If you see me pull this out to cut any food item, just warn me not to.
I haven't seen you do that.
I've done that in the past before, so if you see me do that,
Dude, just when you get it home, just give it some serious dishwashing liquid.
With that biohazard symbol on it, I wouldn't trust it anyways.
I am the biohazard, not it.
That is true. The bearer of the weapon is the danger, not the weapon.
Thus, I'm the biohazard. Oh yeah, weapon bearer sounds like ring bearer, and I'm pretty sure that this isn't any wedding.
No, I said the bearer of the weapon, not the weapon bearer.
So. One, you want to intertwine them, you don't want to lose any connection. Not yet, Michael. Not proportionally correct.
Being politically correct, this young one
I said
is.
proportionally. Oh, hey, there.
Being deaf, you are.
Got a 4-bundle system. On
Being
these
deaf, I am not.
cables.
Stating that he is being politically correct, I am.
Yoda, we shall stop.
David,
What?
contradict yourself. Merry Christmas
What?
and a Happy New Year.
You just saying random stuff now?
Hippo birdie tootie.
2D Hippo Birdie. What the crap was that? And what did you drop?
Nothing but your face.
You slow. Her tip. Diddy.
This side's ready.
You silly. Now give me.
So for the people watching this video on YouTube, who's probably no one watching it, what are we doing here?
We are changing the terminals of the battery, so terminals of a Geo Metro, replacing this really probably almost as old as the car itself battery,
Probably Walmart
with
battery.
a Super Start Premium battery that's a 2-year, so it should last long into the future.
Okay, get the caps off that. I'm not going to tighten that little piece until we know what direction it's for sure going to face. Meaning get the battery up here. Uncover the terminals and pop them up here. What's this?
These are terminal protectors.
Oh well. They absorbed the acid.
Yeah, we can probably take
Oh, it wasn't even stuck. I'd stick that somewhere in your dash. Not dashboard, but I would stick it somewhere in your oh my gosh, this is so annoying. What's up with this cover? Is this cover meant to be here too?
What you should have done is put that on this other side.
I should have. I didn't think about it. All I know is I want that socket to be accessible. I don't care much about things like that. Here's your little terminal cover.
I'd like to wrap the battery with this before we get these actually.
Oh yeah. And this is what's called Jimmy rigged.
It's a MacGyverism.
Yeah, you got it right, MacGyverism. You want this little doohickey junk thing on there. Oh yeah, we're gonna need a different size. Oh sheesh. That thing's charged.
How did that spark?
It went across the tool.
Yeah, you melted half the edge of the
I'm sorry. Also gave them a little extra metal on there. It's not normally fully charged. Usually you don't buy batteries fully charged like that. That's messed up.
I can smell that.
Oh well.
I can too.
Your battery's okay.
Says the person who just sparked it.
I think your battery is alive and well.
Thing is, I've heard of short circuits like that killing a battery completely.
We'll know in a few minutes.
Why didn't you pull it off like that?